Good day guys, being here. Today let's model this. We're going to model this family. So it will be a parametric family, and I think we will try 3 different methods. Okay, so let's start. So first, I'm going to do I'm going to do it in as a generic model. Okay, so open. So okay, so first let's place some reference plane RP and dimension equal. Okay, so first sorry, this one. So this will be the base, the base width. Okay, so we will need 1, 2 and 3. Okay, let's go back. So this will be the, let's call it W1. Select this dimension, let's call it W1. So this will be the base. Let's just use the instance. Okay, so this is base, and then once again another 4 reference plane, dimension equal. So select these 2. So this will be W2 instance. Okay, so this will be sorry, wrong one. This width. Okay, the middle one, and then we need the top one. So again, RP reference plane, dimension di equal di. So select these 2. So this will be W3 instance. Okay, so now let's create some solid. It will be a blend. Okay, so first let's set work plane. So currently it's reference level. Oh, sorry, actually before we do this, let's go to elevation. So we need to create a reference plane. So this will be this level. Okay, and we need another one. This will be the top level, so which is this. Okay, so now let's add dimension, another dimension. So this will be H1, and let's just use instance parameter for it, and another instance parameter. So this will be H2. Okay, so yeah, maybe H2. Actually, instead of from reference level, I'm going to dimension this. So from H1. Okay, I'll separate them. So this H1 will be lower part, and H2 will be the top part. Okay, so now let's go back to floor plan. So W1 will be the base. Okay, so let's create the blend. So first blend and set work plan. So this will be the base work plan, so which is reference level, which is correct. Okay, so go rectangle. So draw on this W1. Okay, so reference plane of W1 and lock them. Okay, so now click on this edit top and set work plan again. Or actually, sorry, we need to go to elevation because we didn't name the reference plane. So we need to set work plan and we need to pick this one, and then go back to floor plan. So this time W2, we need to draw the rectangle on W2. So the reference plan for W2, which is these 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lock them. So now this will be the lower part of this structure. So don't worry about the shape for now, because we will adjust it later. So now let's create the other part, the top part. Okay, so create once again blend, set world plan. So looks like it's still on the middle reference plane, which is let's just double check. Let's cancel this, go to front view, so set world plan. So see, this is it. Okay, so correct. So okay, go back to floor plan. So now we are going to create a rectangle on the W2. These are W2. Okay, so and lock, and then click on edit top and another rectangle. So then click on W3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and finish it. Oh, actually, before we finish, I forgot to set the work plan. So let's set work plan for the top. So we need to actually we need to go back to elevation again. Sorry, let's go back to front view. So see, the W3 is currently on this middle reference plane. We just need to set this up to top that. So pick a plan, pick that one, and go back to floor plan. That's okay, and then just finish it. And just don't forget, change this to 0 and then click OK. So of course, that's the first one. We just need to change this to 0 as well. Okay, so now this is a quite interesting shape. We just need to adjust the parameter. So let's have a look at this again. So this will be roughly 1 meter. Maybe this is 600, and this might be 6 meter. Okay, so let's try this. Oh, and also the height. I guess this is about 10 meter and another 2 meter. Okay. So go to family types. So W1 will be 1 meter, W2 might be 600, W3 will be 6 meter, and H1 about 10 meter, and H2 about 2 meter. So 10 meters, another 0. Apply. Okay, that's very ugly. So looks like we need to increase the W3 or reduce the H2. So let's try 1 meter. Still ugly. Which reduce this one 9 meter. Increase this one 9 meter. I don't know. Maybe reduce that. So 500, W1 900, yeah, maybe that's better. 1200. So yeah, it's parametric. You can just adjust all the parameter. So and then once it's finished, so you can just create a project. So and then you can load this family into the project. Okay, so that's it. You can create multiple of them and then just adjust them. You can have different height. You can have them with different height and different size, something like that. Okay, and also material. You can just create a material parameter from here. So here, click here, here. Okay, so this is the first method. So use blend. Okay, now let's model. Let's try the second method. Okay, so this one will be generic model as well. Okay, so this time we're going to model a sweep. Okay, So first, I'm going to draw a reference line. It will be circle from here, and I'm going to add a radius. Okay, so let's create a radius. Actually, this radius will be half of the W1. So, but I'll just use W1. I'll call it W1. Okay. So W1, and then so what we need to do is we need to go to elevation. So because this will be a path of the sweep, and then we need to create a profile for this sweep. So go to left elevation. So we need to create a profile in here. So first, what I'm going to do is create some reference plane. Okay, so similar to the last one, but this time we just need to create them on one side, not both sides. Okay, so I'm going to create 1, 2, 3, and also the height 1, 2. Okay, so let's create the dimension. So this one will be h1, h1. This one will be h2. Okay, so and also dimension for the, so this will be the center front back. So we just need to dimension from this center. So let's say this one will be, oh actually, because the base will be slightly bigger than the middle one, so I'm just going to call this W2. So this one will be here. Okay, so I'll create this as W2 instance. Okay, and this one, oh sorry, dimension this one, these two, and because we already have this W1 for the circle, so the radius of the circle, I'll just use this one. And then this one, I'll just move this a little bit further. So this one will be the W3. Okay. So W3 instance. Okay. So now let's create this profile. So go create reference line. So start from this point, the middle point, and go to the edge of this W1, the base, and go up to the here. Yeah, and go out to here. Go back to here and go back here. And also for this method, I'm going to move the middle one maybe by 50. So this way we will have some lever space for some downpipe, because in this actually in this model there's some downpipe in the middle, and there will be a slope from this edge to the middle. So what I'm going to do is I'll just have this dimension 50, lock it, and also I'm going to add another reference plane here. So maybe I'll just give it 200. So this will be the height difference from this edge to here, to the middle of this this structure. So I'm going to lock the 200 as well. So, and I'll just select this reference line. So I'll just drag this down to here. So then trim this reference line and this reference line. So now this will be the shape of this this model. So now let's go back to the floor plan. So we're going to create sweep. So sketch path. So make sure. So let's have a look at the reference world plan. So it's in on the reference level, which is correct. So pick line, check the lock, and pick this reference line. Now you will see this is where we need the profile. So we can go, we'll finish this one and edit profile. So Revit will ask us left or right, of course left. Go to the view. So that's why we create the reference lines, the profile here on this left view on the left hand side, because this is where we need to place the profile. Okay, so now pick line, lock, move your cursor on this reference line, tab, click, and finish, So now let's have a look in 3D view. So this is doesn't look like this one, but don't worry, just check this one. Okay, so now go to family types. So let's change this to match the previous one. So W1 will be maybe 900, W2 maybe 500, W3 maybe 9 meter, H1 maybe 9 meter, and 9 meter. H2 maybe 1.2 meter. Apply, and that's it. Maybe a little bit higher. Okay, and also you will see this is sloped. It's a little bit hard to tell, but yeah, that's a slope. See, and also there'll be a space for the down pipe in the middle. Okay, so this is method number 2. Okay, let's try method number 3. So I'll close this one. So method number 3, new family. This time let's do generic model adaptive. Okay, so let's place 1 point. Okay, so and then make it adaptive. Then another point, draw work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan and place it on this point. So now select this one and we create the first one, so H1 instance. Okay, and okay, so if I go family types, type in maybe 12 meter, will go up 12 meter. So now we can create another one, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan again, place it on the point. So this time create another height parameter H2 instance. Okay, so go family types, maybe 1200, apply, so that's 1.2 meters. Okay, so now first we need to create the reference rectangle, draw work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan, and draw a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly dimension so the reference line to the point. Okay, and then I'll select all these. I'll change the scale a little bit. Yep. So select all these dimension, create a new one. I'll call it W1 instance. Okay. So now if I change this to W1, so half will be 600. Okay, and then the same, we can create another one, reference line, rectangle, draw work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan, so this one, tab, and then draw another rectangle, DI, dimension, and select all these, and will be W2 instance. Okay, and this one, let's try 300 W2. So last one, so reference rectangle, set work plan, horizontal work plan, DI, dimension. So another two, last one, and select all these dimension and create a new. This one will be W3 instance. Okay, go to family types. W3 will be 6 meter. Apply. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. So you can select this one and this one, create form, and then select this one, create form. Okay, so this is it. And of course, if we want to add, so let's try add a little bit slope too. So we just need, let me think, we just need to add a void. So what I'm going to do is I'll place another point, draw work plan, set work plan. I'll place the horizontal work plan on this point. I'll place on the horizontal work plan of this point, and then I'll, instead of go up, this time I'm going, oh, hang on, sorry, wrong one. Oops. Looks like, how many points? Looks like I didn't place the point. So let's try again. So point, draw work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan and place it on this point. Yeah, you should see this warning. Okay. So now select this point and go down. So this time I'm going to just maybe add an, I'll just call it create an offset parameter instance, OK and OK. So I know maybe I need it to be -200. So depending on the difference, high difference, so you might need more. So on here, on this point, I'm going to create another rectangle, draw on work plan, set work plan, pick the horizontal work plan on this point, and place so this one will be the size of the, maybe the down pipe. So previously we have it 100. So I'm going to just create another reference plan. Oh, sorry, another parameter. Let's call it W4, and W4 will be 50. Okay, so now we have this one, and together with this one, so select this profile together with this. So this time create a void. Okay, so now can you see? I'll change to shade SD. Can you see it automatically cut the void, so we'll see this. And then of course, to create a down pipe from here to the base, we just need another, so reference plan, draw work plan, set work plan, place on the horizontal work plan, this here, dimension from the reference line to the point. So in 1, 2, 3, 4, and just use the W4, and then select this reference lines, and also these 4 reference lines, create another void. It will automatically cut. Okay, so that's it. So this shape will be the same to the second method. Okay. Yeah. Actually, for the we can also do some void and cut the first method as well. No problems. But basically, these are the 3 methods we can use to create this shape. They are all parametric. Okay, so if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.